What's up, guys? Today we're gonna piss off the neighbors, and by that I mean it is currently 8 a.m. and we are going over to one of my dad's buddy's house to get the car aligned. The Nova needs to be aligned, and yeah, starting this at 8 a.m. on a Saturday is probably not a good idea, but it'll be fine. If we have any issues, it's gonna be that house right there, the one that's directly right here. He's gonna probably come out or call the cops. So hopefully that doesn't happen. If it does, we're just gonna pull out and we're just gonna drive off, and it'll be fine. We'll be okay, no big deal. So Pops is gonna drive that. He's got his Real Streetcar shirt on, so that'll be pretty funny. Say what's up, Pops.
What's up, guys?
And yeah, we're ready to go.
It?
Yeah, this is, I mean, based on his description, this is it, but not
there he is right there.
Yeah, not based on the GPS.
That's funny, isn't it?
Good thing you have a good memory.
Can't ask for perfect timing, huh?
Car stayed cool the whole time, and nice and easy. And we're here to get it aligned. So car turns out to be really straight. We don't really have any off balance alignment, at least in the front end. The back is definitely good, but goes to show, I mean, we've been doing the alignment on the car, you know, in the garage for most of this time and turned out pretty good. But shout out to Griffis Automotive Repair. They're over off of Bumby and Rain? Yeah, Rain, R-A-E-H-N, in Orlando, Florida. Shout out to them. They've at least got the car like dialed as far as actual measurements and everything. They use the, you know, as you can see, the full like alignment setup. I had noticed on their YouTube channel, which they have a YouTube channel as well, Griffis Automotive Repair, they were doing like a track Honda, so that's pretty cool. They do all kinds of stuff. I am probably gonna start bringing my car here. No clue that this, you know, was even here at the time, and my dad's known the guy for a while, so yeah, start bringing the Supras out here, and maybe I can get the Mark III dialed a little bit more, the blue one, because it's set up for more like road racing stuff, so that'll be pretty sick. But car did great, as you saw. Drove here on the street all the way here, no problems, and now to drive it home. Car made it back. Dad's pretty stoked about driving it on the street because it's always fun to do. And yeah, little to no problems. As per usual, this car on the street drives better than my street cars sometimes. But we'll get there. And yeah, this thing, you know, being a 30-plus-year-old build, it's pretty impressive how it just non-stop can be street driven. Just do whatever you want to do. Obviously, you're not going to get your best MPG with this thing, but, you know, miles, or what is it, smiles per mile? So when are we buying a Nova to put this in?
We need a bigger one. You're going to have to call J Real Street and get the one out of the white Supra.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.